What's up guys, Mr. Card Guy back again. I have 10 more packs to open here. Opened 10 in the last video and we got a secret rare gold card, so can we keep that luck going? I'm going to put a Tyranitar pack to the side and see will the Tyranitar be in that pack. Start with an Urshifu one. See what we can get out of it. There's the code card. We have Bisharp, Weepinbell, Phoebe, Salandit, Roly-Poly, Esper, Shinx, Blipbug, Reverse Holo, Rare Drampa, fucking right. Ultra Rare, Rapid Strike, Urshifu V, Full Art. That's another good one. And then Fire Energy. And we have a Tyranitar pack. I think all my luck may have ran out with the good cards, but we'll see. Hopefully this continues on. Code card. Leaf Energy. No. Metal. So we've got Indeedee, Swordward, Crawdon, Sizzlipede, Shinx, Cacnea, Ponyard, Timber, Reverse Holo Dottler, and then Necrozma V, half art. 2 hits out of 10 means more than likely. Rest of the pack's a letdown. So just keep watching anyway. Code card. Darkness Energy, Fighting. We have Rapid Strike style Mustard, Morpeko, Doublade, Baltoy, Timber, Corphish, Cacnea, Mawile, Reverse Holo Rare, Conkeldurr, and another Urshifu card, the Single Strike or the Rapid Strike V card. 3 out of 3. Imagine this was an air box and we ended up with 10 hits out of these. Code card. We have Luxio, Durant, Purugly, Ponyard, Timber, Tepig, Glameow, Silicobra, Reverse Holo Girder, and then Electivire, regular rare, and Water Energy. Code card. Rapid Strike, Scroll of Swirls, Buffalont, Crawdon, Horsey, Mankey, Mawile, Fomantis, Remoraid, Reverse Holo Spoink, regular rare, Galarian, Mr. Rhyme. Psychic Energy. Discarded myself, guys, getting too many good cards to start that one. So there's your code. We got Karina's Focus, Carkol, Morpeko. It's the bad Morpeko. Can't remember what the version of it's called. Bronzor, Murkrow, Horsey, Cherubi, Lickitung, Morpeko, Reverse Holo, and then regular rare Salazzle. Urshifu pack again. Code card. We have Tower of Waters, Karina's Focus, Purugly, Spearow, Zubat, Cubone, Frillish, Blipbug, Reverse Holo Aegislash, regular rare, or no, Holo Rare Colossal, and then Psychic Energy. 3 packs left, and then we have 2 packs left, and then we have that Tyranitar I left to the side. Hopefully it has a hit in it. Upside down code. Metal Energy, Fire. Level Ball, Single Strike Energy, Luxio, Baltoy, Galarian Mr. Mime, Fomantis, Spearow, Zubat, Reverse Holo Rare Lurantis, and then Galarian Slowbro. For all the guys out there who love Galarian Slowbro, There's a nice close-up look at it. Another Tyranitar pack here. Before the last Tyranitar pack. Code card. We have the Tooljammer, Bruxish, state of that Pokemon, Buffalont, Spoink, Roly-Poly, Frillish, Esper, Blipbug, Reverse Hollow or Victory Bell, and then Stoutland V full art, and then a Metal Energy. Last pack magic. Let's see. Is it even any good? Code card. Last one. We'll save it. Durant. Single strike style mustard. Cheryl. Electabuzz. Esper. Timber. Galarian Slowpoke. Corphish. Reverse single strike mustard. Ooh, Steelix. Hollow rare. Looks kind of sweet in this one. And Metal Energy. Kind of fitting for the Steelix. So check out what these cards are worth and I'll let you know in the recap. Done all the research for this one, guys. And we started off with 84 bulk cards. 10p a card, that's £8.40. We then got our reverse, which are the Aegislash, Conkeldurr, Drampa, Lurantis, Victory Bell, Single Strike Style Mustard, Morpeko, Spoink, Girder, and Dottler. And then we had our hits, which were Steelix, and I really like this art on that one. Steelix was £1, Colossal £1. We then had the Rapid Strike Urshifu V full art. That's one of the ultra rares. It was £27. Rapid Strike Urshifu V half art. It was £2.50. Stoutland V £1.50, and then the Necrozma V £1.50. So total that one made £52.90 and a profit of £12.90. If you like the content, guys, consider liking and subscribing, and hit that bell icon to join the Noti Gang. I'll see you next time.